Hey guys! So today I wanted to pop on real quick and I wanted to teach you how to take off your gel manicure after you've gotten it on and you're ready for a change. I have on a mixed mani. I actually have on some gel. I have some wraps on with gel over top, and then I have just lacquer. I did not put anything over the lacquer, and I tend to pick on my lacquer. So these are what my nails look like right now. And so I'm going to just take off my lacquer like normal. When you get your TruShine Gel Kit in the mail, it comes with these remover pockets. They come in a pack of 50. You can also buy them if you run out and you would like more. You can also buy them on the website. When you open up the box, there's a whole bunch of these remover pockets. It comes like this. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take off my lacquer. And what I do, you don't have to, I use towels. I don't use cotton balls or anything. I just take a towel and I'm just gonna, then watch how fast this comes off. I think this is pretty impressive. This is real time here. Ta-da! And then I have two on this one. This was the manicure that I wanted to do, but I didn't know what I wanted to do. I didn't know if I wanted to have just the red with the wraps or if I wanted to do the green. And so I started with the red, a red color, and then I just wanted to see what it looked like with the green. So I took off a few and put some green on. Okay, so now these are what I have left. Now these have, and my thumb, but they have gel. So we have the wrap here, it also has gel. What we're gonna do, it says up here, tear here. So I'm just gonna tear that part off like so. And then inside, there's a little pocket in there. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your finger underneath that little pad. I'm going to put it on this one here. And the pad is wet. And so now I'm going to take off this adhesive. There we go. You see that come off? And then you're going to fold it over, making sure that you have the best contact on that nail. And then you're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes or so. While I'm waiting for this to do its thing, I wanted to share with you the importance of capping your tips. When you are doing your manicures, whether you're doing gel or lacquer, you want to make sure that when you paint them on, you want to make sure you cap this tip. If you don't cap that tip well enough, every layer for gel, so your base coat, cap it. I have 3 coats, this is 3 color coats, capping each one in between that curing and then your top coat, and then capping the tip and curing. If you don't cap your tip, it will chip at the top like that because it doesn't, the gel is a little bit thicker so that it caught on something and then came off. So capping those tips is extremely important. Very important to cap those tips. So like everything, like, you know, the wraps, the gel is very similar in the first time you do a manicure with the wraps or with the gel, you might have some problems, but like everything, you just practice makes perfect. Each time you do it, you're going to get a little better, you're going to get a little faster, and we'll be good to go. I was going to start a timer. And if you pull these off and you realize it hasn't done anything, just keep it on for a little bit longer. No big deal. There we go. So we'll just wait for a few minutes. Okay, so let's see how it did. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to do the middle one first. Do it so you can see. I'm going to take it off. Oh, look at that! So some of it even stayed in there. And then we're just going to take the orange stick here, and we're just going to kind of get it off of there. Ta-da! Okay, this one I think also had gel. I think this one has the wrap. So let's try this one. This one hasn't been on as long, so let's see. Oh, that's so cool. That one came off really nice. And these have just been sitting on my nail for like 10 minutes. Boom. Okay, so let's try the one with the wrap. This was the first one I actually put on. No, this was the second one I put on. Okay, so we're going to take that one off and see what that one looks like. Okay. Oh, look. Oh, look. How cool is that? Okay, so here's the thumb. Are you ready? So you guys can see here. Pull that off. Oh, there we go. I'm just going to kind of see here. Oh, and so the top layer is coming off of the wrap. So there, and then it's just the sticky residue that's left. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to quickly show you how I take off my wraps because the gel like that. So I just put a little bit of the nail wrap and lacquer remover. I just put it in the lid. You can get that I do too. So I'm just going to move that over just a smidgen, and I'm going to just stick it in there really quick. And then I'm just going to work that solution just right underneath the wrap. You see that, you guys? Okay, so that one's gone. I just have a little bit of the sticky residue that's left. And now I'm going to dunk my thumb. I'm just going to get that underneath. You see how I'm just like, don't pull when you do your wraps. Do not pull. If it gets stuck, you need to dunk it again. Okay, no pulling. Promise? Need everybody to promise me not to pull. If you pull, you're going to potentially damage your nails, and then you're going to get mad at me. Don't get mad at me because I'm telling you, don't pull. Okay? And then what I do with a little bit of leftover that I have in the lid, I don't have a whole lot. I just dump it on my towel, and then I'm just going to take the rest of that residue away. Clean nail. I'm just going to do that with my ring finger here. Okay, so that worked like really, really well. That is how you remove gel. What I like to do after every removal is I like to put on some cuticle oil. And so it just comes in this nice little brush. This brush, they also have it in a pen. And then you're ready to go. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please, please, please let me know. I would love to answer any questions that you might have. And we will see you next time. Bye, guys.